Hey guys,
Hey everyone.
Carlos Saenz here and Andrea Jenkinson-Saenz with AM Jenkinson and Associates. I just wanted to jump on really quickly and talk a little bit about how to survive tax season. We are neck deep pretty much in the middle of it, and if you're one of those folks who is still kind of lingering and waiting around, don't wait. You want to get started on finishing up those taxes, everything that your CPA needs for taxes,
Yes.
and getting that over to them as quickly as possible. But Andrea wanted to jump on obviously really quickly and give you some checklists of things and some tips to make your life and your bookkeeper's life, and especially your CPA's life, a lot easier the next few weeks. So without further ado, actually, if you do not know Andrea, Andrea is my wife and business partner. And she is our certified QuickBooks Pro advisor and has over 38,000 hours logged in QuickBooks over the last 20 years. So I'll let her take it away with some tips to help you survive tax season this year. So
Thank you so much, Carlos.
You bet.
Yes, tax season is upon us, and we're committed to always being a resource for you all first and foremost. So we love sharing our knowledge and providing clarity, whether it's around QuickBooks products or trying to help you navigate tax season as sanely as possible with your CPA, because a lot of times we act as a liaison between our clients and the CPA, and because we understand the language of what they're requesting from us. So first and foremost, are you using your QuickBooks product? Has it been updated recently? Do you even have QuickBooks? If you don't have QuickBooks, check out our free videos on how to select the best QuickBooks product for you and your business and get started. QuickBooks products are fantastic, particularly because you can connect to things like online banking, which makes the data entry so much easier. The biggest tip that we have when you're using online banking is, number one, be sure you know which bank accounts you need to connect for your business. Just because your business you may pay personal expenses that didn't run through your business account. Don't connect your personal checking account or credit card that has mostly personal purchases onto your online banking. Also, understand how online banking works and make sure that when everything's downloading, that it's being coded to the correct account in your chart of accounts. So it is there to make it fast and easy for you to get the data in. One thing that we always talk with our CPA friends about is just make sure that when you're doing the inputting that you do it consistently, because it makes it easier for a professional if things went to the wrong account for us to clean it up, because we know all of those things are miscategorized in one place consistently. Next thing is reconcile. What does that mean? That's more than online banking.
yeah, reconcile.
There is not a CPA we work with that will accept any QuickBooks product without it being reconciled. That means that you reconcile your bank accounts, your credit card accounts, and your lines of credit inside your QuickBooks product. So you use the reconcile feature with those monthly statements, and you check off everything that cleared during that time period. Very important. The last thing that I would really recommend is that you review your profit and loss in detail report and your balance sheet detail report. Very important. Unless you're paying your CPA to do an audit of your QuickBooks product, you are responsible. Even if you have somebody else doing the data entry, even if you've outsourced it, or you have an employee or a contractor that's doing the data entry, or you're doing it yourself, ultimately at the end of the day, everybody that's a business owner is responsible for their business financially. That means that you're going to report everything to the IRS accurately. So this is why we recommend that you review the profit and loss detail and balance sheet detail report before you send that off to your CPA. Also, if you have employees and your CPA will want to see all of the payroll reports, the quarterly reports, the W-2s and the W-3s. If you have 1099 contractors, they will also want to see copies of the 1099 and 1096. If you collect sales tax for your business, they will want to see the sales tax reports. Also, if you received any 1099s from anyone else, they will also want to see those because they need to file those on your behalf. They may have some other items, but in general, that's what they're always asking from us and our clients. And so we just wanted to hop on really quick and try to provide some guidance and clarity and some tips on getting through tax season. Really, the products are so fast and easy to use. It's just getting on, connecting your bank accounts, and then making sure you understand how you're coding everything and reconciling, and then reviewing and sending off to your CPA. It'll save everybody a lot of time and hassle and money. And it provides clarity to you about what your business did for the year and while you plan for this current year, as well as providing the clarity that your CPA needs in helping prepare the tax return. So we hope that these tips helped you.
Best of luck with you guys. And obviously, the whole overtone of what we're talking about is just do it.
Yes.
And I know everybody tries to do it at the end of the year or wait to the last minute. Save yourself tons of grief. Trust me, guys. We've worked with a lot of clients who have done it both ways, and
Yes.
it's so much easier working with those clients out there that get things done and get them taken care of, and the CPA loves you, and they're going to keep on wanting to work with you. So make everybody's lives easier and a little stress-free this tax season. So hopefully these little tips that Andrea went over with you are going to help. So again, if you have any questions for us, or if you need anything from us, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'd love to help.
Yep,
Again, Carlos,
absolutely.
Andrea, we're A.M. Jenkinson & Associates. They're your certified QuickBooks Pro advisors. And remember, if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.
Take care.